is consider this program in order to find union of two lists. So let us write a function to compute union operation between two given lists. So let me take some list like list 1 is equal to, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the elements in list 1. Now consider list 2 is equal to some elements like 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So these are the elements inside list 2. Now let us find union operation on two lists. So find union of list 1 comma list 2. Okay, so let us define the same function here. Find union function on the list 1 and list 2. Okay, so we can consider the elements to be part of union of two given lists whenever the common elements will be repeated only once along with all other elements, right? Okay, so I'll take another list called list 3, which is initially empty. Now I'll iterate each and every element in list 1. Okay, so the best way to do this is you can directly copy list 1 elements into list 3. So list 1 dot copy, I'm copying all the elements of list 1 into list 3. Now I'll iterate through list 2 so that the elements which are not in list 3 will be appended to list 3. Okay, so for each element in list 2, okay, if this element is not in list 3, then we can start appending the element into list 3. So that is list 3 dot append of element. Okay, and finally the resultant list is available in list 3, so you can display it, print list 3. Okay, so let's run this code and you can see all the elements which are union of two lists, list 1 and list 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. No element is going to be repeated here. Okay, so if you observe elements like 2 5 are available in both the lists. Okay, but still they should be appearing only once as this is union operation. Okay,